All right, so for those of you tuning in, we just got the chicken out of the oven a little bit ago. We had a little interruption here. Sorry about that, so I had to cover them up. So anyways, if you want to get a close-up shot here of the chicken, looks pretty good. Here, let's see. Look at that. Oh, looks so good. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a cut. We're going to go ahead and cut these up. Now, I like to do small, well, not too small, but like strips, I guess you can call them. Strip them like that, long ways this way, and then give it a quick cut down the middle, like so. Oh, I'm stuck in there. All right. So that's pretty good right there. Put that one to the side. Do the same with these. Pretty simple. These chickens are pretty good. They're cooked all the way through. I usually cook my chickens for about 20-25 minutes, give or take, depending on the temperature. Just to get that that thorough cook, because I don't know about you, but I don't really like uncooked chicken. So I don't think anybody does like uncooked chicken. So yeah, that's pretty simple. So that's the chicken right there. We'll go ahead and cut that one here in a little bit. If you want to go ahead and pan over here real quick, this way. My camera person is not paying attention to me. Pan this way, turn around, please. If you want to stick your arms up more, higher. So in here, we got some, as I mentioned earlier, instant mashed potatoes. Pretty quick, pretty easy. I added some black pepper in there just to give it some more taste, but pretty good. So that's it for right now. Up here, that's it for right now. If you guys want to tune in, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, click the bell, give us a like. The channel is Heavy Darth because I do breathe heavy like a bulldog. So thanks for tuning in, and I appreciate everyone that does watch my videos. Go ahead and check out some of my friends' videos like Rexor MG. There's also some channels that I like to follow, like Sam the Cooking Guy. He's a great cooking guy. There's also Peter Draws. What else is there? There's tons of videos out there, guys. Don't underestimate YouTube. It's amazing. Go check it out. Once again, the channel is Heavy Darth, and I hope you guys have a good night. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. Say bye, girls.
Bye.